Okay, y'all, I want to show y'all how I got these 4 items plus 2 bags of chips, small bags. The 2 for $1 chips and some peanuts that were 99¢. They're gone, so don't quote me on it. So anyway, the Scott tissue is $5 each. And you get back, they take off $1.25 in Walgreens. So that's $7.50 for 2 or either $3.75 for 1 if you need 1. I had a paper coupon that they gave me a couple of weeks back for the all liquid. That's why I had to get pods. I love pods, but I got the liquid because it was $3 off. And they're on sale for $5.49. So that made me pay $2.49 for it. Also, the Lysol air sanitizer. It's on sale for $7.29. And I had a $3 off manufacturer coupon on my account that I added. So that made it $4.29. And I'm gonna show y'all. See at Walgreens. See $7.29 for the Lysol. The all $5.49. The 2 Scott, you see they took $1.25 each, which was $2.50, and that left $3.75 each. You $7.50 for both. Also, I had a bag of Cheetos. I had some nuts for 99¢, and a bag of Lay's chips. There it is, the $3 manufacturer coupon. Now online, they have $1.50 off, but I did not clip that one because I had the $3 that would go spice up September 6th. So I used that to save more. Here's the total.